To make hair relaxer, you need to assemble a handful of requirements. Mixers. Stirrer. When the mixture has been achieved, it might become corrosive and hence you would need the stirrer to stir it to avoid getting burnt. pH meter for measuring the level of alkalinity or acidity of the product. Hydrometer, which will be used in checking the density of your mixture in relation to the density of water present. With this, your product will not be too watery or too thick. Heater for making enough heat to help the wax materials to melt and dissolve. After assembling these important requirements, the next thing to get are the ingredients needed for making the hair relaxer itself. Below is a list of the ingredients you would need and in their right proportions. Petroleum jelly, this should be gotten in about 15 kgs. You would need 50 grams of stearic acid, 2.2 kilograms of lanolin, about 12 kilograms of mineral oil, about 50 kilograms of dehydrated wax. You would also need about 1 kilogram of glycerin or propylene glycol, 0.2 kilograms of butyl paraben, 0.5 liters of formalin. Acetyl alcohol would be needed in about 1.5 kilograms. We also need to add caustic soda of about 1.9 kilograms. 44 liters of water will also be needed. Procedures for making hair relaxer. After the requirements and ingredients have been assembled in the above proportion, you should know that you are halfway done. Below are the step-by-step procedures employed in making hair relaxer. First and foremost, you should place the mixer on the heater or hot stove. Then put the petroleum jelly into the mixer. After a few moments, say 20 seconds, add the lanolin. Get the stearic acid, dehydrated wax and the acetyl alcohol and add them into the mixture in the mixer. Stir with the stirrer. Get the mineral oil and add it to the already dissolving mixture. Do not let the heat to be too much. Leave for 3 to 4 minutes for the mixture to dissolve fully and become homogeneous. Get hold of another mixer. Mix a little quantity of water with the caustic soda and divide the solution into 2. Do the same with the butyl paraben and the propylene glycol. Dissolve them together and place them in a separate mixer. Get another mixer, add a small quantity of water and dissolve the formalin in it. Remember the 2 portions of caustic soda in another mixer. Add just 1 portion of the solution into the mixture of propylene glycol and butyl paraben solution. Put them on the heater and heat gently and slowly until they melt and dissolve totally. After that, you can bring the mixture down and allow it to cool down. Take the mixture from the 5th bullet point and pour it into the mixture in the 9th bullet point and mix them together. Get your stirrer and continue to stir the mixture while heating it mildly. Allow the temperature of the mixture to get to 45 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, you can turn off the heat and bring the mixture down and pour it into the already dissolved formalin. The remaining portion of the 2 caustic soda solution should be poured into this mixture and stirred. Allow the mixture to cool down. When the mixture must have cooled to normal temperature or room temperature, you can then put it in your desired container. Your hair relaxer is ready for use or sales.